Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get verification codes on X. These codes are a crucial security measure, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. They are typically used as part of two-factor authentication, ensuring that only you can access your profile, even if someone knows your password. Understanding how to receive and use these codes is vital for maintaining strong account security and peace of mind. There are primarily two ways to receive your verification code. The most common method is via SMS, where a 6-digit code is sent directly to the phone number linked to your X account. Alternatively, you can use a dedicated authenticator app, like Google Authenticator, which generates a new code every 30 seconds. Remember to keep your registered phone number updated for seamless delivery. Sometimes you might encounter issues receiving your verification code. First, confirm that the phone number associated with your X account is correct and active. If using an authenticator app, ensure your device's time is synchronized. Also, check your network signal strength, as poor connectivity can delay SMS delivery. If all else fails, try requesting the code again after a few minutes. Protecting your verification codes is paramount for account security. Never share these codes with anyone, even if they claim to be from X support, as legitimate staff will never ask for them. Regularly review your security settings on X to ensure two-factor authentication is properly enabled. Using a strong, unique password combined with verification codes creates a robust defense against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.